So guys, my package has finally arrived and I'll be unboxing my robotic, which I'm going to be building, a robotic arm. And this will be an unboxing video for that, and I'll show you guys now. It came within this box. I'm guessing here's some parts. Let me see. Whoops, I dropped another part. Here's another one. Where is it? Here's another one. I'm guessing that's electrical. Yeah, the electrical stuff about it. Here's another part, more electrical. Another one, probably like the hardware parts. This is like the building plates, I'm guessing, whatever you call them. Which I'm gonna do an extra video. This is just an unboxing video, but I'll do a different video of me building them. Which that's probably gonna happen in my garage, just so I can be able to build and program and all that. Here's another part. And I feel a few more things. Here's another, the screwdriver, I'm guessing, for to screw drive the parts together. Another part, more wiring. Probably more wiring in this box than anything else. I feel more parts. Yeah, more parts. Sorry, my desk is a mess. This is the desk that I work on every day, basically. If I don't have it organized, I should start keeping it organized. More parts, as you guys can see.
Yeah.
And I don't even know how long this box is. I keep getting surprises. Another huge base, I'm guessing, or something. Another electrical part. And I'm guessing there's more in here. Let me see. Oh no, that's it. Which is weird because it doesn't come with instructions, but it came out like this. And also today at Five Below, I was there. Bought this personal fan for my house, like for my room. My gaming desk slash work desk slash everything desk. And I'm gonna start. And this is gonna be part of unboxing for this too, besides the robotic. And by the way, both of them, they're not paid promotion. I'm not promoting them. It's just an unboxing review of what I believe. But I opened the box for the robotics. I looked at it. There's no instructions at all. And I'm just using YouTube basically just to look for instructions to see how I can build it. Between that and just use my mind, my knowledge of robotics. Since I'm studying that in college. So I'm just using my brain to solve the problems and the programming and all that. So I'm doing all that. So I got the box open. This is what it is. Comes in with this little plastic thing. So let's just open this up. I'm gonna set this on the side. Instruction sheet. At least this came with instructions, not like the robot. Here's the fan. This is what it looks like. It's not bad. I mean, it's very cheap because I bought it in clearance though. But for the price, I don't think it looks bad. So I just got connected. So I'm just gonna take out the wire thingy that holds up the cable. So I'm gonna take that off just to try it out. I'm gonna try it out right now. Once I'm able to get this, there you go. There's no USB included, so I'm gonna have to find a USB here. Somewhere. Because I have a collection of USB stuff like this, I have a collection of this. I always buy one whenever I have a chance. Whenever I have a new electronic, I just buy one because I have several electronic stuff and less of this type. So instead, I just buy this. And this I bought it at Bargain Hunt for a very cheap price. Because for my channel, I want to start cheap. I don't want to start something expensive. So my budget right now is probably like below $20 until I'm able to expand. And once I expand, then I just go a little higher price unit-wise. Whoops, my light turned off. Let me turn it back on. Guess you guys can't see me. Oh, it doesn't want to turn on now. There you go. Now it's on. Yay! You guys can see me now. There you go. And then supposedly they're supposed to be, if I read, I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Oh, this is a power on button. So let's test that out. Oh, there we go. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what it looks like. I feel the fan is very, sorry if my hand is in the way, but it feels very good. It's blowing fast actually. It's strong. I'm gonna move it a little bit. There you go. I guess to move it, I'm gonna use this to move it. But it's not bad. It was very cheap. Original price was $20, and I bought below $10, so it's not bad. Yeah, I like it. I enjoy it actually. It feels good. Yeah, I would highly recommend buying this. So this one came with instructions, easier follow. That robot thing, no instructions at all. So I'm just gonna search up online and probably find a way to build it myself. Probably ask some of my friends what they believe or what part goes with where, you know. But I'm gonna turn this off. It's kind of loud now. Oh, there's different settings. Sorry, I'm intrigued with the new fan. There we go. There has like 4 modes where one's speed, like fast, and then there's another one kind of fast but not that fast, and there's a third one that's like medium speed, and then there's another slow, and then there's one to turn off. But I would highly recommend this fan. It's nice. I like the design. If you guys can see, I'm sure if you guys can see. There you go. There's the design on it all around the thing. Not sure what this is for. I'm guessing just something for it. Just let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. I'm not sure what it is. Never seen it. I'm guessing this is probably something to do with the fan. But yeah. So the robotic thing, I'm gonna do a separate video, as I mentioned before in the video. I'm gonna do a separate video of me building it, and hopefully I'll be able to finish the project, which I know we'll be able to. It's just I gotta find the parts, maybe, because those are most of the parts. But I think there's some few parts I got to buy, maybe. I don't know. Hopefully not, but I don't want to spend that much money. I'm gonna try to build up that project either using online like Google or YouTube, and then just do it myself, and probably use my background information about robotics I learned in robotics class, and hopefully build it. So yeah, at least I'll share my journey along with those stuff with you guys as my viewers. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I don't think this video is gonna be that long. I'm trying to make it longer, but I don't think I can really do any more part, so this might be the end of the video. But as I said before, I'm gonna do a separate video about me building it, so just watch that. I guess that could be a continued part to this video, but they're two separate. I'm out of words right now, don't know what else to say. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.